Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you an incredible fusion dish, Singaporean rice. If you love the combination of noodle, rice, chicken and creamy sauce, you are in for a real treat. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a delicious recipe. Let's get started. In a large bowl, start by marinating 1 kg of chicken mince. Add 1 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 4 tablespoons of tandoori masala, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well and let this marinate for 30 minutes. After the marination time, heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 finely chopped onion. Fry them for about 5 minutes. Then add your marinated chicken mince to the pan, mix well, cover and cook until the chicken is done. Once done, mix well and set it aside. Now it's time to prepare the noodles. In a wok, heat 1/3 cup of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and the white part of green onion. Fry them for a minute, then add your veggies, bell pepper, carrot and cabbage. I used 2 capsicum, 2 carrots and 1 small cabbage. Mix everything well for a minute. Add half tablespoon of salt and 3 tablespoon of vinegar. Saute for 2 minutes. Then add half tablespoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoon of chili sauce, 3 tablespoon of soya sauce, half tablespoon of paprika powder, half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Stir everything together. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Once done, give it a good mix. Add 500 gram of boiled spaghetti. Toss everything well together until the spaghetti is fully coated. For the creamy sauce, in a bowl, mix 1 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with half cup of cream, 4 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste, half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Stir well until creamy and smooth. Now it's time to assemble everything. In a large serving dish, start with a layer of boiled rice. On the top of the rice, add flavored chicken mince. Then add a layer of prepared noodles. Finally, generously drizzle the creamy sauce over the top. Garnish it with fresh green onions. And there you have it, delicious Singaporean rice is ready to serve. It is perfect blend of flavors. Hope you guys like the recipe. Thank you for watching. Do try this out. Happy cooking.